Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Devil May Cry.
No hard feelings, guys, but
Hope your day is going well.
Trust me, Nero. This one's gonna be a little too much for you.
So we're gonna do a little bit things different here, because recording while playing has the mic a little weird, and I'm pretty much just gonna record after the fact. So I'm trying to keep the hype alive when something cool happens with me seeing it for a second time. But with how fun this game is, I mean, it's hard not to stay hyped during all these cool moments. So we're gonna go ahead and see how this episode plays out. See how my style is. And I hope all your guys' family and friends are safe and healthy during all this as well. So probably for the first few minutes, it's gonna definitely be a little bit of experimentation, since it's been a while since I played Dante.
This is the real deal.
I've been just doing Nero in the practice realm,
Full speed ahead.
or the void. Also, this part was a little funky too, so I'm trying to get everything, and I also wanted to get down there and not dilly dally so much. But you know how platforms can be. You want to skip it, you can always come back, but you look at it and you realize, dang, I probably shouldn't have got those. But we got a couple of the platforms, so can't be too upset. They're just random whites and reds. So yeah. And here we go with the first fight. And I've done my best to try to keep a super sexy style. And I even practiced a couple royal guards, but this one I didn't get too much practice in yet. That's one where I should have guarded, blocked it, but I mistimed it, did it too early. There we go. So that one I called the Royal Guard at the right time. So you can hold it to guard, but you'll use up your meter once you're out of the guard meter. You know you're gonna get a hit. But if you time it just right, which I didn't, you would do a counter, increase the gauge, and you could just do forward circle if you have a PS2 controller or one similar. Forward B, I think, and you would unleash all your Royal Guard energy, and it will do an insane amount of damage. So basically benefiting you and rewarding you for going, some say, the most difficult / Chad of the styles.
You're not slacking, are you?
And I do say I enjoy the areas too. It's only gonna get even better because in the middle of recording I actually got a new graphics card, so we're gonna get probably 10 to 20 frames easy, and I can boost it up to an even higher degree. So I was actually really excited. I actually tried it with Warhammer, and the next step is to get an i7, and it's gonna be looking pretty. It's gonna be looking awesome. So I probably should go into practice tool and try Royal Guard against these guys. Because I know they got 2 attack indicators. They get a little red, they get a little big, and they shoot, and then they get really red and inflamed. And that's when they're gonna do a suicide explosion. Now I don't know if I can actually reflect the kamikaze attack with that magnitude. Well, they'll get the try. So here the Royal Guard pull through. I was able to get some cool stuff on here. Couldn't get the taunt in time though, but oh well. The bike is my least favorite of the weapons so far, but I just try to show some love, you know? Because I'm pretty sure we're at a point where... yeah, I was trying to Royal Guard actually. But I'm pretty sure we're at a point where we might only have 2 Dante
This should make things
missions
easier.
left. We'll see. Yeah, more platform action. I was debating on not putting this in here, but I figured might as well see a bit of journey. What I did cut out though was usually the menu stuff and the purchasing of skills. That's usually near the end of the level, right before a boss. Wanted to keep it as fluid as possible. Dante ain't moving. I ain't recording, you know. So I fudged that up pretty royally. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get there with Trickster. Oh no, I didn't equip Trickster here yet. Yeah, I totally forgot. I do not do Trickster. Even though theoretically it'd be one of the coolest to watch, right? Because you're just hopping everywhere like a ninja. But for me, it's Royal Guard, that Sword Master. The gun one's cool, but I'm not trying to make this Devil May Cry 2, you know, where you could just juggle bosses and creatures with just two pistols. No, you gotta get in there. You gotta get styling. That's what we Dante want. That's what we Dante want. Fudged up a little bit. I do not think I got a nest in this one. Yeah, I think I pushed it. That one.
Come on, show me what you got.
Rockin' that sword.
Come here, come here.
Yeah, since it's been a while, I didn't equip Dr. Foss to get the extra reds. I figured until I got a little more warmed up, I would do it. So I probably would do Dr. Foss on the next one. A little more platforming action. You know those platforms? Maybe it's because I'm a little hungry, but they remind me of cornflakes. Kind of want some cereal, some running up bunches of oats, cinnamon toast crunch. I actually got to Costco and got this pumpkin granola seed cereal mix thing with protein, yogurt clusters, and I'm not gonna lie, with a cup of milk and a couple raisins added, or craisins. Yeah, craisins added. It's good. And if you really want to get spicy, put a scoop of peanut butter in there. I know it sounds crazy, but milk and peanut butter, that's a combo. That's a combo I love wholeheartedly. Yeah, I'm sure if I put 2 points or more points in the Trickster, I would have got that turn point. But I'm trying to max out Sword and Royal first. There's so much to buy off of Dante. So much benefits to buy off of Dante. It's crazy. Anyway. So, it's okay. This fight wasn't bad. I want to Royal Guard the side dude that looks like a villain from Resident Evil 4. Ouroboros arms. But it's all good, I messed up. There we go. Okay, I got that guard in. But could have done better. Here I am just having fun. Got cocky.
Come here! Come here!
Yeah, popping everywhere. I'm sure if I just selected sword mass, I would have gotten an A to S. They're cute. Can't remember what they're called, but I believe the description was that they're an amalgamation of all the units that were consumed divided by demons. I'm not sure. It looked like it though. It looked like one of those creatures you can add to be a subset of Legion. There we go. Got triple S.
You're set free.
Styling on him, styling on him. Pop, 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 pop.
Onward and downward. Oh well, better get to it.
Alright. So this part I cut it after I got into this thing here. Because, you know, I've spent a good 5 minutes reading through all the skills, all the new stuff, so now we're at the boss, baby.
Oh.
Once, only kings of the underworld may enter these gates. You shall not pass.
Oh, easy there, fella. Hey, I remember a stinky little pooch just like you.
You insult me, foul-scented creature.
Looks like your master's got you on a pretty short leash. Come on, little puppy. I'll take you out for a walk. Come on, let's go.
You have fought our king in the past. And I am king of the Cerberus tribe. They were weak, but we will feast on your flesh and gnaw on your bones.
So, you're the strongest in the litter. Looks like we're gonna need a bigger leash. Come.
I like the detail of those gloves. His coat is pristine, but the gloves a little beat up. Now is that from fighting or is that from transforming constantly to devil mode? Pulling the devil trigger. Find out. Well, I gotta look up. So his outfit, if anyone wore that in the streets or to a party, you'd call them a tryhard hipster, right? But he pulls it off though. So what kind of status you gotta be for a nice, doesn't even have to be leather, just a nice coat of red like that with the high boots, looking like slay vampires. What I mean? 'Cause I'm sure buff dudes, right, if wearing that is a yes or no. Usually you see the lanky dudes or the biker kind of guys. We're gonna find out, man.
This fight's a real shocker.
Jason Statham probably could pull it off, right? Give him a little wig. Keanu Reeves could do it. Yeah, no, yeah, there we go. Keanu Reeves gets the pass. Totally forgot. Forgot about it. So I try to get Royal Guard here, right? I ended up mistaking it for Sword Master here. Score's pretty bad too, but I'm just trying my best to bring it back up here. Need the hits in.
Oh, turning tail? Come here, I've got a bone for you. Here, boy.
So this is incredibly fast, and I tried running as Dante to get closer to my certain parts, but it seemed like it went through. It's alright though. We got some charge on the Royal Guard. Let me see what I can do here. He's charging, so better break through that. Even though I looked like I had guard meter, still was getting beat up. There I released the trigger. Yeah. Got my new spell where it's pretty much you charge the blade and you release it. So it's kind of like a get to get 10 show. But here I had the shin double trigger activated or pulled. This is such a cool transformation. The effects too. Burns through quick though. And you can transfer right into normal double trigger. So you think it would finish here, right? No, I get knocked back. And I'll try to taunt.
This should make things easier.
And it wouldn't let me move for a quick second. And I taunted again. I got hit. I was just so confused what happened here because it looked like the fight ended.
And now,
So I tried taunting again, get closer. I'm sure I got knocked back here. Funny enough, yeah, I can't even get close. It wouldn't let me target him, I believe. Just so weird what happened. So I just ended up shooting him. Because it wouldn't target him, it would target everything around him. And it looked like I guess I got to shoot one of the little things before hitting him. Not sure. But yeah. There we go. So number 3 was explained better, but basically just all the demons submitting to him and lending their power to him. And they could actually talk while in these forms. Dante just hates it when they talk though, so he discards them unless they shut up. Which is pretty funny. At least that's what, if I remember, 3. I went to the practice tip and tried out these combos. I'm so excited for the 3-sectional staff.
guess I'm the first one here. I like that.
So I did not hit the auto, what's it called, bonus. Thankfully, I was able to get an S here with all the ups and downs of that. But anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you and your family stay safe and stay well. Have a good one. Much love to y'all. Thank you.